We will write a program to print 1 to 10 numbers using any loop. Okay, so either you use while loop or you use do while loop or you will use for loop. You can use any loops. I'm going to use for loop. So here in the C program, let's see, server is loading, give me a minute. All right, okay. Okay, so here I'll start from here, main program, void main. So first to print a program, I want to take I is equal to 1 and then I equal to 10. So I can take here only comma I is equal to 10. Sorry, j equal to 10 or any variable you can take. And now I'm going to use for I equal to 1. If you are declaring it here, so you can take it out from there. I equal to 1, I less than or equal to j, I plus plus. So whenever we say I is 1, I less than or equal to say, so from 1 to 10, the loop will be happening. So that means the loop will execute totally 10 times. Printf percent slash n, or you can use slash t if you want to print the output in the same line. Percentile d comma I, that's it. And finally, after the loop, printf loop is out. I can say something like outside the loop. Outside the loop, save this, run the program. We are getting the output as 1 to 10. Okay, build finish. 1 to 10 we are getting the output. So this is a simple program to print numbers from 1 to 10. Now we will write another program. Now we will write another program, or you can use the same concept, write a program to print even numbers, even numbers from minimum to maximum. We know what to do if you want to print minimum to maximum, and if you are asking user to enter the data, I'll take integer minimum comma maximum, minimum comma maximum. Then I will ask computer to enter the data, enter minimum value, enter minimum value. You need to read that using scanf minimum. And then I'm going to save another slash n. I'm going to ask to enter another value, enter the max value. So you might be entering some value, that we need to read using scanf statement, comma, ampersand, max. Now we know the loop, how to use the loop for minimum, minimum less than or equal to maximum, minimum plus plus, minimum plus plus, or you can take out this. Now whenever you mention minimum less than or equal to maximum, that means it is taking what is the whatever the value of minimum. So whenever you are saying enter minimum value, you might be entering 10. Whenever you say maximum value, you might be saying like 40. And when you are not saying anything, because I don't know what either minimum is equal to 1 or minimum is equal to 2, I don't know. So when you don't know that, I have just left it empty. So now I'll say if minimum mod 2 mod equals to 0, then I want to print the value equals to 0 when minimum modulus 2 equals to 0. Printf percentile d, I'm saying slash t, comma, minimum. So minimum value is getting increased until maximum. So save this program, run this. Minimum value 10, maximum value 25. We are getting the even numbers 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. So with this we need to understand a new concept here. In a loop, when you are entering, when you don't know that, you can simply leave it empty on the first scenario. Alright, so this is the program to print minimum to maximum even numbers. Minimum to maximum even numbers.